Hi friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily copy some colours from one shot to another in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, so why might you want to do this? Well, let's say for example that you've got a shot from one camera and you put it next to a shot which was recorded on a completely different camera, perhaps as an iPhone versus a Pocket 3 or Pocket 3 and a Pocket 2 for example. You may find that the colours look a little bit inconsistent from each other, which is quite normally the case. So if I play shot number 48, so this shot here was recorded on a DJI Pocket 3 and the shot number 49 was recorded on a DJI Pocket 2. So let me just put the two shots together. So this is number 48 on the Pocket 3 and then this is shot number 49 recorded on a Pocket 2. So you can see that the colors look a little bit different to each other. One is kind of a bit more brighter and the other one's kind of, the colors look a little bit more sort of, I guess, murky compared to the Pocket 3. So we can quickly and easily copy the colors across. So the important thing is that you select the destination shot that you want to copy the colors to. So what we can do is we can copy the colors from the Pocket 3 over the shot on the Pocket 2. So first of all, it's very important that you select the shot that you want to copy the colors to. So that's the destination. So in this case, I want to copy the colors to shot number 49. And then you right click without selecting it, the shot that you want to copy the colors from, which is the source. I want to copy it from shot 48. So right click on that. You'll see an option saying shot match to this clip. We click on that and then you can immediately see that the colors on this shot number 49 now look very similar to the colors on shot 48. So if you play the two shots together, let me just do this. That's shot number 48 and now we have shot number 49. They look pretty much similar. So it's very important to note that you need to make sure, as I said, that you select the destination, not the source. So if you try and select this and then you, for example, just right click on it, you're not going to see the option at all. So if you don't see the option, that's what you've done wrong. So let's work through another example. Let's take this shot for example. Now this was actually recorded on the same camera, but the lighting changed because it's a different time of day. So if we actually have a look at this shot, we can see that the colors look just a little bit darker and just less vibrant than the color right next to it, which is this for example. So what we can do is I'm just going to select the destination node, right click again on the one I want to copy from, and then click shot match to clip. And now straight away get it looking a little bit similar to the two shots. And that's it. That's how quickly and easy it is to match shots on DaVinci Resolve. Hope it's useful, guys. Don't forget, of course, to give this video a thumbs up, and I shall see you soon on another tutorial about DaVinci Resolve. Take care and see you soon. case, this is shot 49. So that is now selected. I then right click on the shot that you want to be the source of the colors. So I want to copy the colors from number 48. So right click on that and then choose shot match to this clip. If you click it straight away, you can see the colors instantly change. And if we compare the two shots together, so 48, so let's just play that, 48, and now we're going to jump to 49. There we go. Now these two shots, I think, look pretty similar to each other. So that's how you can copy the colors. Now it's very important to make sure you do actually select, right click on the shot and select the shot, because if you don't and you do it the other way around, you'll notice that you're going to be copying it kind of backwards, which is not what you want.